Hi everyone, welcome to Veronica Hug part 2 of our baby sock video. So I stopped with the additions here and now we will do one regular row without additions. So this is where we were at. Feel free to check out the other video. So we will stop with here and yeah, where I marked it, so the side stitch. So if you've seen the other video, just continue without any additions. I am now here at the single one I marked, so you see here how I did it twice already and here as well. So here is the single one that I will do as last. So now I can show you how you can do the heel part. So the top we will do with 11 stitches for this size. Up till now we had 28 stitches and I did 3 times 4 stitches as additions. So that means that I have 40 stitches total, or 28 plus the 12, which makes the 40. So 3 times 4 would be those additional 12 ones. So when I take off the left and right stitches, I will have 38, sorry. So I have on one side 19 and on the other side also 19 stitches. And now since we need 11 stitches for the top, we leave 4 stitches out, left and right, so both sides. So 11 plus 4 is 15, plus 4 is 19 total. So now I will do the 4. And now I will do 11 stitches in a chain and 1 single. And I'll keep changing that and skipping one in between. Skip this one and do now 1 single and 1 chain. Turn and skip the first one and around the chain do a single. The first chain is again the first from the 11 we did. So that means that now would be the time to do the second one. Now again a chain and turn, skip the first one and do again the same. Let's count now. We have our first row here on the bottom. One, two, three, four, 5, and 6, and we need a total of 10. So we finished the 10 rows. Now let's do a chain and turn. And we will start with the regular sock stitches under the first chain. So this time you will also do the stitches in between, no skipping. Here we go through, take the thread, then go through the side of the next chain and take the thread again, then close them up. So that way you basically lessen the number of stitches by 1 and get a really nice overlap for this heel part, or the heel bottom if you like. So now this was 11, now just go around the sock. And the last one, go through and take the thread and go into the first sock stitch, take the thread and close up. Here is the 29th stitch and the first one we have here. So we have again one less stitch, and now we have the number of stitches we had at the beginning. So the number we had at the beginning is 28, and now we can start with the next part. Do one chain for the height and swirl your thread around the needle, go through and take the thread around. Pull a bit longer while doing this. Go through and do the same twice more. And now close up, take a chain and skip one and repeat the same thing. So you always have 7 loops on your needle that you do together. Close up with a slip stitch. And go around with a slip stitch to the chain, do another, and then again repeat the puffs, this time around the chains. So that's how you do it. You can do it as long as you like, so as long as you have enough wool, or until you reach your desired length. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section, how fast you did it, or if you maybe had any trouble. Apart from that, you can always shoot a thumbs up if you found this useful, and you can subscribe to the channel to stay updated with future videos. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye!